everyone, welcome to this video today. This is going to be different than any other video, of course. I'm actually going to teach you how to make a YouTube account and become a beginner. So first of all, you're going to want YouTube. That's the top thing you want. And then you're also going to want this. Right here. YouTube Studio. But it'll be called YT Studio. Now we're gonna quickly go somewhere, not there. I'm looking for a specific place. Because anyways, I'm planning on making a different channel called Father and Son. So I guess you guys actually get something. And you definitely didn't see a Boga. Fine, I have two new channels I'm gonna make. No, I'm just gonna quickly put this in, and then I'll see you guys in a second. Now you're going to want to go to your, right here. If I go to my inbox and then go, oh shoot, please don't look at this crap. Be honest, sometimes I just watch random stuff. But anyways, you go to my videos. And then usually what I do is, if I recorded something on, what? That's weird. Why do I have morgues? No, please get that out, YouTube. I don't want that. I'm gonna quickly go to camera. Oh, hi. Yeah. Well, anyways, I'm gonna go to this, which is a video I randomly made just for this video. You can click share and then do YouTube. Oh shoot, you guys better not have seen those numbers, or I'm screwed. But you go to share, and then if you want it to go to a different channel, you can do this. And I'll switch accounts. Oh, my new YouTube name. So you can create the channel. Oh shoot, let me do this. And I'm just gonna do that real quick. Father and Son, there we go. And I can, by clicking this blue arrow, I can send it to YouTube for uploading. And that's where the YT Studio apps comes in. First, you need it so you can confirm your age of your YouTube channel, which YouTube will tell you about it, so I'm gonna let YouTube tell you about it. But, like, let me go to Derps. Oh, no one's seen it. But please check it out if you want to. And if we go to here, go down, we do advanced settings. You can do delete from YouTube. Users can view ratings for this video, allow comments, no, don't restrict my video to viewer. I guess restrict it to people over 18, and that's how you can kind of do it. I have to do that for every video. So, yeah. And I guess now that you're a YouTuber, you can do what I usually do and watch your YouTube videos. This video may be inappropriate. Oh, dude, I accidentally made it appropriate for some of you. Age restricted. I did the wrong thing. Yes, restrict my views to my viewers over 18. No, don't restrict my viewers. I did one wrong thing. Oh shit. And now, no, I did not want to see that. No, I'm good. Please go. No, I'm just gonna show you guys a recommendation of what app you can use for gaming that I usually use. Excuse me. Let me go here. Recorder. And it should be right up here. Where is it? I think this is it. No. How's the app look? I can just look at the app because I'm stupid. I don't look at the app. Master Recorder is the name of it. No, I'm good. I don't want a... I just... Yeah, there we go. And there we go. But look, we can have all this stuff. I actually might... Oh. Weekly? What? I have to pay $9.99 a week? Just to have some good editing? Like, I do recommend this if you don't, like, necessarily care about editing like me. But if you're, like, a young YouTuber like me, don't worry about editing until you get, like, maybe 10,000 subs. Then you can start worrying about editing. So, everyone, have a good day. And I hope you like this tutorial. If you want to see more about YouTube on how to make good videos, then comment down below YouTube.